Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to download a video from YouTube without using any application. So first you have, of course, you have to go to YouTube. Type YouTube and hit enter and search the video that you want to download. For me, I want to download the strength of the Lord. This one. Okay, hit enter. Okay, I want this video to download. And next, what you're going to do is put double S to letter S after the www dot in the URL. So click the URL and then after that put double S and then hit enter. And of course you have to wait until there's a download like this, and click download, and sometimes your browser, sometimes it will redirect you here, and click again the down here and download. And as you have noticed here, video playback, now it's downloading. Sometimes life seems like words. Okay, and that's it. That's how to download video from YouTube without using any application. See you next. Bye bye.